Hi dear children, welcome to our next class. In last class you learnt about teachers, doctors, nurse and farmers, how they are helping to the society, how important they are in society you learnt. And in today's class, the other person who is very important equally like teacher, doctor and farmers. They save our life, they won't care for their own life. They make their own life in risk and save the people. They are firefighters. So you can see the firefighter, how he is trying to stop the fire. Yes? So about firefighters, you're going to learn in today's class. So here you need your content book, workbook, notebook and paper cutouts, A4 sheet showing an outline of a person and the glue. So keep all these things ready to do the activity. And the new words you are learning here are firefighter, F-I-R-E fire, F-I-G-H-T-R fighter. Firefighter means a person whose job it is to stop the fire. So a person who tries to stop the fire known as firefighter.
Firefighter. A person whose job it is to stop fires.
Now the next one is waterhouse. W-A-T-R water, H-O-S-E hose. Water hose means a pipe that sprays water through high speed known as water hose.
Water hose. A pipe that sprays water with high speed.
Next one is fire extinguisher. F-I-R-E fire, E-X-T-I-N extin, G-U-I-S-H-E-R extinguisher means a device that helps stop the fire. It helps for stopping the fire.
Fire extinguisher. A device that helps stop fire.
Now look at the picture cutouts. Which of these are mean for a firefighter? So he is holding a water hose would spray the water on burning things and he keep his life in risk and save the people. To understand more about firefighters, please watch this video.
We need firefighters to help us when a building catches fire. Firefighters put their own lives in danger to save people from a building on fire. The smoke and fire make it difficult to safely get people out. But they fight the fire and save people's lives.
You can see in the picture how they are keeping their life in risk, how fire and smoke are dangerous to us, and how they are saving the people even though around him the fire caught, but he saved the little boy. In the picture you can see that. So now we will discuss the activity. You have to paste a firefighter picture on A4 sheet and what things you like in firefighters. Please write 3 to 5 points about the firefighters and the things which you like from them. So based on that, we'll discuss the activity now. What does a firefighter wear and use? The firefighter wear a suit, a mask and a helmet to protect himself or herself from the fire. Firefighters come in a fire engine to the place which has caught the fire and they need a water hose and fire extinguisher to stop the fire. So the red color box which appears like a cylinder called as fire extinguisher, it contains the carbon dioxide gas which helps to put off the fire. And the water hose you had just now seen, they'll hold a big pipe which throw the water on fire with great speed. So this yellow color tube which he is holding called as water hose. Yes, and how does a firefighter help us? He is helping to put out the fire. They protect the people and their belongings. They go inside a building which is on fire and safely bring out the people who are stuck inside. They save people's life. So, here are the things which firefighters are doing for us listed here. You can see this and you can add up some more points to this and write in your notebook. So, what two main things they are doing? They stop the fire using water hose and fire extinguisher, and they put their own life in danger to save the people from buildings that are on fire. Along with this, they'll also use fire extinguishers and they also use water hoses to stop the fire. That points you can add with this. So write this flowchart in your classwork or on A4 sheet and paste a picture of firefighter. What problems do firefighters face in their job? Firefighters had to put their life in danger when they saved the people from a burning building. They might get burned and even get badly injured sometimes when they are saving the people. Some people can faint because of the smoke and it may make it harder for the firefighters to save them. So the people, if they goes for unconsciousness, the firefighters had to bring them out from the fire and they had to save them. So, after understanding the job of a firefighter, then you try to answer the worksheet from your volume book, page number 40. So, once see the questions which are given in page number 40 in your volume book. Who is a firefighter? Take the correct picture. So the first person is wearing a suit and wearing a helmet. A water hose is there in his hand, and the second person is holding a laptop in his hand and the bag. So among these two people, who is a firefighter, you can guess easily and just put tick mark in front of him. And risks building has caught fire and 20 people are trapped inside. How can the firefighters help the people? First, they'll try to stop the fire. Firefighters help to stop fire by using water hose, and fire extinguishers. They'll also use fire extinguisher and also water hose and they'll try to stop the fire. And the second thing, they'll bring the people from the fire outside. They bring the people, they'll bring out the people from fire. They bring out the people from fire. When the building caught fire, first they'll try to stop the fire and then they'll try to bring out the people if anyone caught in the fire. And that way, firefighters help to the society a lot. And what dangers do firefighters face at work? Actually, the smoke and the fire may harm them, but they'll keep their life in risk. They'll keep their life in risk and save the people life. In this way, the firefighters are becoming heroes in the society and they are saving the people life and helping to the society. So before moving on to the next step, you read more about the firefighters from your content book and how they are helping to the society. You understand and then try to answer the given practice questions. So here you can see page number 61. You read these practice questions and then answer them. Who is a firefighter? Tick the correct option. The first one is a person who fixes broken sink. Is he a firefighter? A person who stops burning fire. A person who catches robbers. Out of them, who is the firefighter? You can guess it easily and put a tick mark in front of this sentence. You might have already guessed it. The person who stops the fire, he is the firefighter. And the second one, a building in Mumbai has caught fire. The firefighters have been called to help. This is the situation. So, based on the situation, you need to answer A and B questions. So, the first question is, how would the firefighters be dressed? You know very well, you had seen in the picture and you already did an activity about firefighter, that the firefighters wear suit and they wear a helmet and they'll hold a water hose in their hand. So these are the main things the firefighters compulsory wear to save themselves and also to save other people. How will they stop the fire? They'll stop the fire by using big water hose. Water hose means a big pipe which throw the water on fire, and they'll also use fire extinguishers. Fire extinguisher A fire extinguisher have a gas called as carbon dioxide gas which helps to put off the fire. By using these two things, fire extinguishers are helping to the people and they are able to stop the fire. And the last and final question, a firefighter's job is very difficult. Do you agree? If you agree, why or why not? Yes, definitely. The firefighter's job is very difficult because they have to deal with the smoke and the fire. Both are dangerous to the human body. Smoke may enter into our lungs and they stop our breath. And fire may cut us and they may make the people to die. So definitely they are taking risk, keeping their own life in the risk and saving the people. So they are the real heroes of the society. So, till now, you learnt about the different professions like farmers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and finally the firefighters, how they are helping, how important they are in society. And choose yourself a noble profession and work towards to reach your goal. Okay, then complete this practice questions and the volume book questions and send me the pics, children. Do your work and get ready for next class. Thank you.